responsible enough and old enough to know that if you do it with your left hand, it feels like it's somebody else doing it.
So once again, Miranda Suarez is one up on the agency because we're not able to use the
smoking gun turned out to be.
Yeah. So once again,
Very
Miranda
blunt.
Suarez is one up on the agency because we're not allowed to use the bug I placed on her in court.
Okay.
So if you know it wasn't admissible, why give me fuse?
And she is inviting, and she's on the phone talking about inviting you to Port Royal. And don't tell me. You plan to go, right?
So once again, Miranda has
One up on the
one up on the
agency.
agency.
Because I cannot use
About
the
that
bug that I planted on her. Even though she's on there talking to Tony Esperanza and inviting you to Port Royal. And don't tell me. You plan to go, right? Rolling.
Have you tasted your fish?
Rolling. Same line. I hear you. I hear you.
But
fan lady fan.
nothing is going to deny me the pleasure of two of them fried bamboo.
So it is serious
I hear you.
situation.
Yeah. Ready? Rolling.
You have at least 2 to 3 of them bamboo there.
Why you not take this serious? Why you can't see that this girl is up to something?
2 to 3 of them by me there. She can't react.
So go back to 2 to 3 of them, Babylon. Miranda Suarez is not a local agent. She has ties to the South American Intelligence Agency. Can you go and lock her up? What will the charges be? We up on the hill with the air. Plantation Heights, Plantation Drive. You get a full view of the city from up here, so.
Rich people settings.
See what you just want to reach some video. So you can at least have an idea what them for. No problem. You in any trouble?
Yeah, I'm sure I'm real trouble.
I got one more project on the belt.
Yeah, but we have our next problem, another problem.
They have plan for what? They have plan for shut down this site at Hilltop?
No, but you know, bull up there.
No, but you know, it's a bull soon reach up there. The time brighter.
What show you again?
Yep, okay.
It's a drunk reading.
I have an idea who instrumental may be.
Nice place, you know? Nice place. I hold it more land. Make big house against the one there. Right, I'm gonna deal with it.
No, that's not easy. No, I'm drunk reading. Yeah.
Drunk with them outside.
I don't know road and play
Where?
dead. I saw
That
one.
not goes twisting, you have to smell.
Oh, we have to smell.
I never look at it.
Reach my part of it.
You ever see an eagle in Jamaica? Okay.
That be just
But you've seen John Crow.
Yeah,
right?
The eagle have white something like that. My head back.
Never confused.
And them big. Them big.
Eagle and John
John
Crow.
Crow. Do them have a better name?
It's a John Crow.
Let them say about eagle or John Crow. Would somebody said that on TikTok? Do we chat by the call him John Crow with the name of eagle?
John Crow.
Let's say I play dead. I see them come. So Jack. Alright. Going just a pull up.
Luna say, "Aye, coffee nice."
Go inside, you know.
What's John Crow then? You see that show that you never look for? That's what I'm saying. I'm clear there. Give it. Instead of putting a curse me. Supposed to free.
Have some food boy.